Hi, I'm Alex Castle with Maximum PC, and we are about to run over a SteelSeries keyboard with a truck. How did you want it?
You think it's gonna survive?
I mean, we'll see, but...
Yeah, that did not sound like it made it. It looks fine. It didn't sound good though.
Well, we'll have to plug it in, but...
We're only running over it once?
The thing will be, did the circuit board snap?
Yeah.
Probably can't come back from that.
Well, we're gonna find out. Find out if it still works, Natalie.
Oh.
And
the verdict is...
test it.
Oh, it doesn't work.
Well, it did light up. You gotta give it that.
Circuit board snapped?
I think the circuit board's probably snapped.
Didn't sound good.
Wah, wah.
Wait a second. Hold on, Alan. Your device is now ready to use. And some of the keys work.
Except they're all just typing cryptic.
Well, it seems to, yeah, no. Well, some of the keys work. It's got period, the line, and backslash.
It's gotta count for something.
SteelSeries,